Hi, it's Rana, and I have my Color Rush Studio kit for the month of June, and it is Rustic Legend, and then of course some extras. I already had some Rustic Legend, and I probably showed that to you in an unboxing not long ago. You can go back to that video if you'd like to see that. I did add these two together, so I'm going to have just a little bit bigger kit, but we also got some frazzles. I love the extras. These are little cork pieces and they're nice and thin. It'll be fun to use. I got the acrylic kit as well. So I love this. Adventure, Moment, All Boy, Rough and Tumble, and then Epic, which I'm going to be honest, I got that and I was like, pie, what's the C for? That's how bad it is. I don't use the word epic much, but anyway, that's word that's supposed to be there, epic. Also, we got these thickers. Thought those were fun. Goes with it. I already used one today. We got these page pieces. I didn't have this, and so I'm sure I won't make this exact thing, but I'm sure I will use these die cuts because they're fantastic, and I will probably need more die cuts. So fun stuff there, and I did something today different than what I am normally doing. I went ahead and made some cards, and I don't make a lot of cards anymore, but I wanted to make some Father's Day cards, and this is so cute with this. I love it. So this is the one I made for my husband, and I pulled up some old songs. I don't know. This is just my handwriting. I just wrote it on here. If you are my age, you'll know what a mixtape is. He'll know, of course. We did plenty of those when we were younger, but I just picked out a few songs that I thought were perfect for Father's Day, and added in some that we even listened to and enjoyed back in the day. So I thought that was fun. Little boombox and a cassette, and I thought these went with it. I'm going to write some more on this tag, and of course then I'll be stamping Happy Father's Day and writing a note on the inside. This one. So this one I actually left this a pocket. I made this a pocket too, but then I ended up gluing this stuff down and not making that something that would come in and out. Just because I put the title there, had to glue that on and stuff. And so anyway, this one is just some of those letters. I did add a lot of gold on this one because I wanted to use these alphas and they have gold, but I really like how gold goes with this collection. It just adds to it. And I went way crazy. I don't know if the light's picking that up, but I really added a bunch of splatters. This is the Picket Fence paper splatter in liquid gold. I know I've showed you this and how much I'm obsessed with it, but I do love it. And I also had some left over, and I just painted it on, let it dry, and that's how I came up with the stars. I just painted that on there and then punched them out. So after I splattered this one, then I started on this card and I punched those stars out, and I thought it was the extra little thing I needed. I didn't want to go through, I mean, this is terrible, but I didn't want to go through and use like all the stars off of my sticker sheets because those are going to be the first thing I use on layouts for having little bits. So, I mean, I just added some stars. This won't be lasting forever. Hopefully the layout pages will. So that's why that, right? Anyway, I did pull in a couple of labels or tickets, if you want to call them the tickets. Those are from 49 and Market. They went well with this, and I found this one that said the best ever, and I thought that was perfect for the card for my dad. I did go around with some black just to make the number 1 stand out. I also did black around this, added a few little staples in 3 places, added a couple of these off of the alpha thickers, and then I added, so these I wanted a real messy look, and I just globbed some glue down and put some gilding flakes. I never use these. I feel like every time I open this, stuff is just pouring out, and I don't know how I'll ever get all that used. If anybody's made it to the bottom of one of those, let me know how you used so many, because they seem like they multiply every time you open them back up. But anyway, I just globbed a little glue and put it on there and kind of roughed around, and then did the paintbrush where you wipe it back off. Wasn't trying to go for like perfect circles. I just wanted some messy circles. Well, then I came in with the splatters and it kind of added to it. And then I took my paintbrush with the gold splatter and added some extra dots on this, so all 3 of the letters would have the gold. And yeah, so I just added gold in a couple of different ways there. So that's it. That's what I had today. I don't know if you make cards or not with your scrapbook supplies, but I mean, it's not hard, and I think they came out really cute, and I think way better than a store-bought card because it's personal and heartfelt, right? So anyway, that's what I had today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you being here and checking out my creations so often. I appreciate all of my followers, and yeah, so thanks again, and we will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.